Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. My name is Natalie Jessie. Here I create a lot of amazing content that's going to help you to grow your hair. So today is my wash day routine and I want to take you guys along. So the first thing I'm going to be doing right now is to pre-poo, and I'm going to be using onion juice as my pre-poo. Okay, onion juice as my pre-poo. This is my hair after 1 full year of doing mini braids. You guys know, if you're an OG, you already know that we have a mini braids challenge for 1 year. So I'm going to take you guys along. I'm going to prep my hair for another mini braid. And thank you all so much for all the support, all the like, all the sharing, all the views, and the happy birthday messages I got. I really appreciate. You guys are the best of the best. Sorry, something choked me. No. I need to go and drink water. Anyway, this is my hair. I'm going to do this in section. So I'm going to get my hair clip and I've sectioned my hair off camera, and I'll be right back. So I have finished sectioning my hair in 4. So I'm going to start with the front first. I'm using a cotton pad to do this. I'll dip inside this onions, and this is onions and ginger. A full video of how I created this is already in my channel. Do want to check it out. So mostly I am applying this on the root of my hair, not on my hair itself, just the root. What are you thinking now? So I'm done with this one. I'll lock it like this, then I'll do the rest one. So guys, I am done. Sorry about how the light is. They're taking my light, so I'm using another kind of light, but that one is down. But anyway, I am done, and this is it. I'm going to be using this to wrap my hair. Then we'll be setting up a timer for like 30 minutes. You can leave it longer, but I'm leaving it for 30 minutes because I have other things I need to do. I can't stay long. So 30 minutes timer is on. I'm going to allow it to sit on my hair for 30 minutes. Then I will be right back. We'll go and wash it together and go to the next routine. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not, share, bit of comment, and sorry about the way the video is. Okay, bear with your baby girl. So guys, I'll see you guys in the next 30 minutes. 30 minutes is over and it's time to wash my hair. I'll be washing my hair with my DIY hair growth shampoo. Okay, so I'm going to wash it very well so that it will remove the smell of the onions. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you watched this extent, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. So after washing, we are going to be moving on to deep condition. I really like the shampoo because in the little you put, it makes the hair to the foaming consistency to come out a lot. Okay, I washed my hair like twice, then rinse it out, and after washing we'll move to the next step. Yeah, so a full video of this shampoo is in my channel. Do well to check it out.
This could be something I hope
guys, this is the condition I'll call it conditioning detangling treatment I'll be using. But it has sleep inside. Okay, so I'm going to use that on my hair, but before that we're going to section my hair. In first section, just to make it easy for me to work with this hair. And I need to be ASAP fast because my dad will soon be back from school. I need to have finished detangling this hair before she come back from school. If not, I'll carry half hair and go and pick her from the school bus. We've not still brought this light. So I'm going to start with the front. I like starting with the front of my hair. Don't know why. But sometimes I start with either the front or the back of my hair. But both of them. I'll apply and detangle as I go. I did a full video on creating this. Is in the channel. I think I did it for my daughter's hair, and I've used it on my hair again. It was on braids, so I'm using it again. Now the hair is already loosed out. So if you want to know the recipe of this detangling treatment stroke deep condition, please check out the video. With this particular one, I'm just going to use my hair clip to clip it like this. Then I'll do the rest one and I'll be right back to comb it because I've already used my hand to finger detangle. Then before I'll use my comb, a white tooth comb, to comb it out. I am done putting this on my hair, so still remaining a little bit, but I'm still going to put it anyway. So I'm going to start with the front one to comb. I'm going to try and comb this in section. My daughter is back. When can I bring her inside?
I'm here by your side and you look in my eyes and I think you're the one, 'cause I'm so hypnotized, yeah. You're here in the morning, but it's all in my head. I don't want this to end, to end. I won't let this be over. Want you to stay. If you let me closer, baby, give me everything. What are you thinking of? Tell me about yourself. If you believe in love.
So guys, I am done and this is what it looks like. I compiled the hair into two, so I'm going to use this. I'll leave it on my hair for 1 hour, then I'll rinse it out. Then after rinsing it out, we'll move to the next step. For the hair fall, this is what I have. It's very, very small. So that's the hair fall I have. And yeah, so I'll see you guys when I'm washing this out. It's time to rinse out the okra gel. or like say okra condition or okra hair mask from my hair. So I wanted to rinse it out one after the other, but I was like, nope, I'm going to rinse everything out together. It's gonna save me water and time. So make sure you rinse your okra, the max, very very well before you add your condition, because I always add condition. Even though I do a deep condition, I still end up adding condition again on my hair. That's how I do my routine. Yeah, so my hair still have the little bit of the okra on my hair, so I just added the condition, then rinse it out. So the condition I added is going to help to make sure that the okra has totally come out from my hair. After adding the condition, I went in with my comb. I comb my hair out a bit, then I will rinse out a second, third, fourth time. This is how my hair looks like. I'm rinsing it out, and right now it's time for us to do my moisturizing routine, which is adding my spray, my oils, butter, and I'm also going to be chopping my hair. Yes, I'm going to be cutting my hair, guys. Yeah, so inside this spray bottle is hibiscus, rosemary, cloves, and fenugreek seed. All right, so this is the water I'm using to spray on my hair. I'm going to divide my hair into 4 sections, section by section. That is how we're going to use to moisturize and chop my hair. Yes, I'm going to cut my hair. Yeah, because it's a full 1 year I have not cut my hair, so it's time for the ends of my hair to say their final goodbye. So after I spray the leave-in condition on my hair, which is my tea, I will also add in normal condition, which is my bantu or any other condition I have at hand. Then I also went in with my okra gel again. Remember the one I did used to do a styling gel? I went in with that one again. I went in with oil. I'm going to go in with butter. After going in with butter to seal in everything, then I'm going to use the threading method to thread my hair. Then after threading my hair, I am going to cut the ending part, because those places have a little bit of knot and we don't need knot on my hair right now. Okay, from the root of my hair to the tips of my hair needs to be healthy. So when you've noticed that the tips of your hair have started having knots, means that you need to cut the tips, like trim the tips of your hair. Yes, so which is what I'll be doing. I'm going to be trimming the tips of my hair. Just make sure you use thread it to the ending part of your hair, where you see that your hair is almost finished. You tie. After tying, you use your scissors and you cut it. Like now I'm almost at the ending part of the hair, then I'm going to cut it out, show you guys what it looks like. All right, so if you watch this extent, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not. Share a beautiful comment. This is what my hair looks when it's being threaded. Then I'll show you guys how I cut it. Yeah, so I'm going to be using these scissors to cut just there. That's that place that you see me holding. That is where I'm going to cut, and I'm cutting it and I'm cut it. Yes, so this is what I cut, and I'll be doing that all around my hair. I'll show you guys a bit. This is what I cut from my hair, just a little piece, but that little piece means a lot. So this is the next day. My hair has dried. All right, I want to go to the salon to braid it, so it's time for us to go back to our mini braid. So I'm going to be losing everything and comb it. And when I lose and comb it, like before, if I lose and comb it and try and combing it, the ending always like hook my comb. Like there's always an obstacle with the comb, but this time around when I lose and comb it, there's no obstacle. It's just so free, because why? The knots on my ends, I've cut them out.
What are you thinking now? Tell me about yourself. If you believe in love, I don't know.
So loves, I'm done losing one part of the hair, so I'm trying to comb it out for you all to see how easy it was to comb out the hair. Okay, before there's always a struggle at the ending part, like the tip. So but right now, since I cut the ends, it's really easy for me to comb out. So I am done. This is how my hair looks like. I love the volume of my hair. I love the fact that my hair is much healthier than before. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment, and I will see you on my besties in my next DIY video. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now. Bye.